Hello, new year, new habits, and so I wanted to share with you some updates we have on Kosmik Free, especially this new version that we just put out yesterday. So now, every 2 weeks, I will publish a changelog videos to show you the latest features and tell you more about what we're working on at Kosmik to be as transparent as possible and get your feedback. I want to say thank you to all the users that reached out during the Christmas break, and so we're going to keep working as hard as we can on this product. We have a few major new features. So the first one, which was kind of very high in terms of demand from user, is hyperlink support in our text sticker. So now when there's a hyperlink, you can just click on it and it's going to open the web browser. Very easy. We're going to create later on a feature that will allow you to add hyperlinks yourself to your text sticker. When you extract the text from the web that contains several hyperlinks, before we would extract the text plus create all the bookmarks on the canvas, which could be quite messy. Now we just have that very nice text sticker and you can just click on the links. 2, for our multiplayer users, we're now allowing you to share universes on a per universe basis. Before you had one option, which was basically to go to your workspace settings, go to the member tab and add people. That means that people would have access to the full list of universes in your sidebar. Now you can just click on share and invite people on a per universe basis, and you can, for example, do this. Invite, and that person will receive an email. It appears in the share panel separately from the other members of the workspace. We also added something that is quite cool that will force me to jump to performances improvements. So performances improvement on PDF rendering. Click, open, it works, no flicker whatsoever. And you see here, if I extract something from that PDF, this is one of my favorite new features. I have it on the canvas. Let's go back to where we were on major improvements. If I click on the source tag, it reopens at the correct page. In the next version, we'll try to highlight the location itself. This lays the groundwork for highlighting in PDF, adding post-it notes, annotations directly in the file, because we know, especially for students, that the PDF is something that you really care about, the PDF reader. So now we have that restore origin feature that is way more powerful and nicer to use. So that's it for the big features we've added to Kosmik. Now, for the minor improvements, the top section of the sidebar was redone. So now you have workspace, a new universe button right there, which will become more powerful in the future. We'll add a collapse to allow you to select tabs. And also you can open the search panel right from here. So you know our search engine works with a natural language, and you can just click on objects to be transported to the results. We're going to redesign the panel later on, but it's quite a nice improvement, and you see I was just transported to another universe. Let me go back to the changelog. So another thing that is nice, I'm not going to show it to you in that video, but when you log in again in the app, we restore the row of tabs you may have had open, which is quite a nice improvement, especially if you work in different workspaces during the day. Tags are sorted by alphabetical order, Click here, and you see that now we have a nicer layout for the auto tags that we apply in that panel. Another improvement we've made is that now, when you extract an image and we auto tag it, we show you that the tagging is in progress. So for example, that image is on the canvas. It is getting tagged. And now you see I have my tags. So it's easier to know when something is getting tagged, is already tagged, or cannot be tagged also. When you log in again, you're logged into the last universe you visited. So for example, here, if I quit Kosmik, log back in, I'll be directly logged into that universe, which is quite nice. Resizing a file that wasn't uploaded correctly would make it disappear. So you see we added a few bug fixes too. So here what I can do to show you that is, here for example, if I extract that picture, you see it's uploading and I can resize it, and it's not going to have a problem, it's not going to disappear, it's not going to flicker, just stay there very easily. Duplicated or copy-pasted files keep their tags. This was a bug that a few of you flagged, where basically if I duplicated a picture, it would lose its tag. Now you see we still have the tags. You can log in with SSO in the Kosmik browser. I showed you the technical and performances improvements, and now what I want to show you is what we're working on. Comment, templates, and some AI features that we hope to introduce soon. So here, this is Kosmik development version, our internal test version. What you can see here is the universe that any new user will now have it in its account. basically you will be invited to complete a small tutorial, non-mandatory, you can just skip it. It also helps us showcasing the capabilities of Kosmik, importing videos, importing pictures, the auto layout, the PDF reader, the web browser. You can just read the text, perform the action, and we also have nice videos that you can play right from the canvas to see how some action can be performed in Kosmik. So templates coming soon, because this is actually a template. I designed that universe, shared it with the team, published it with the allow duplicate command ticked on. And so if you share a public universe with your friends, with your fellow students, with teammates, and you tick that allow duplicate box, they can just duplicate that public link in their own account and play around with what you shared with them, which is quite nice. So another thing we're working on is comments. So here, if I click on comments, you see we highlight the file I'm trying to comment on. Click here. Hey, interesting article. And I can just press enter, and the comment is sent. Someone can answer, my fellow coworkers can see it, I can create as many comments as I want, so it's very easy to use, and if I want to make them disappear, I can click on resolve. They also follow the files they are on, so it's very easy. They are zoom insensitive, so you can very easily see where we have some comments. So really, like, you know, a very basic commenting feature, but something that should be very helpful for our multiplayer users in agencies and elsewhere. And one other feature I want to show you, same universe, but different platform, is how we intend to add an agent to Kosmik. So here, for example, I'm going to select that PDF, open it in the side panel, and click on that chat bubble. And I can ask Kosmik to summarize this article. Or rather, I'm going to ask it what's this article about. Okay, so you can see here that Kosmik answers. This article discusses Giornata, an application designed to improve the traditional desktop metaphor for knowledge workers. The desktop metaphor is beginning to show signs of strength in supporting modern knowledge work. This is a quote. And so it's interesting because I can just drag that in the canvas and it will have a source backlink. So the agent will help you work on your documents. Again, we're trying to start working on highlighting, adding annotations to the PDF. We think it's going to be really, really interesting. This is a suggested search. If I click on that, it's going to open a new link where Kosmik basically launched that search for you in the web browser. Here, I'm already in the browser, so Kosmik cannot launch it in the side panel, but our goal is to really make that possible. But what we want to make possible with Kosmik is basically allow you to chat with, to have a large context window, not only chat with one document or one text seeker. So here I'm going to press on the plus and add another article, which is about hierarchical file system, and I'm going to ask Kosmik to compare the arguments of those two papers. And Kosmik is going to take not that article, Giornata, as its sole context window, but it's going to expand it to those two articles. And I can have a lot of them, which is quite interesting. And so here, both papers addresses the limitations of traditional hierarchical file systems, but they offer contrasting solution. And so we have quotes from both articles, and we have suggested searches, and I can ask Kosmik to pull the most interesting quotes from both papers. And that's done. So that's something that I think is going to be very interesting. And so our goal is to allow you not only to use that in the side panel, but on the canvas by just drag and dropping, objects around, multi-selecting them, having something that's very easy to use. That's it for our changelogs and for what we're working on this year. I hope you're excited. Please reach out by email, Reddit, or anywhere. We're present, Twitter, Discord, if you have any questions. I'm also going to publish this universe. You can find it in the description and play around with it. So let us know what you think. And I'm here if you need anything. We're extremely excited about 2025. See you very soon. Bye.